Hello students, welcome to e-classes of Default School. So today we are going to see chapter number 14 of standard 3 science world book, the sun, moon and stars. First of all you see the picture of the sun on your screen. So if we talk about the sun is a big, bright and the star which warms up. So if we talk about the age of the sun, it is about 4.6 billion years old. So, whenever we realize that if we don't assume the sun in that particular universe, what happened? So, if there is no sun, the moon does not get light because moon does not have its own light. It is simply reflects the help of the sun's light. So, whenever we talk about the sun, if there is no sunlight, the plants are cannot do the photosynthesis. So without light there is no plants, and without plants there is no herbivorous animals, and without herbivorous animals there is no carnivorous animals. Okay, so what is we learn from that part? Without sunlight all the forms of life on the earth would die. So, the sun is the main source of energy. So, the sun is the main source of energy. Okay, so if we talk about the weathers and seasons, the weathers and seasons are due to the help of the sun. Because if we talk about the sun is help the earth to become hot and cold, and the sun also control the weather and seasons. And if we talk about the sun is a star. It is the only star you can see during the day. You might wonder why the sun alone looks so big and bright while the other stars look like tiny specks of light. The answer is that the sun is closest to the earth. So, whenever we talk about the spacecraft that you ever gone there to see about the sun's heat, okay, so for it would melt by the sun's them themselves. Okay, so scientists who have studied the sun through the special solar telescope have found that the sun is the big ball of burning gases and have many layers. So it is entirely filled with gaseous and no solid surface. So whenever we talk about the orbit, if we talk about the sun, if this one is sun, then the planets are revolving around it with the help of orbit. So this one are called as orbit. So the fixed path around the sun with the help of which the planets are moved is called the orbit. And if we talk about the planets, the heavenly bodies are called as planets. There are 8 planets on their solar system. First of all, Mercury, Venus, then Earth, then Mars, then Jupiter, then Saturn, then Uranus, then Neptune. These are the 8 planets, and this is constitute the part of the solar system. And if we talk about the sun is plays a big anchor role which creates gravity that keeps the planet of the solar system in a small space. And what about the moon, students? So in that next part we are going to see about the moon. So see you in next class. Thank you. Have a good day.